Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to put an SD card in a GoPro Hero 8. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now, I said SD card, but in reality, it's a type of SD card. It is a micro SD card. Now, on most cameras, you're gonna see like a little door that you can open, and it's gonna be evident. It's gonna say like, SD card, battery, what charging port, whatever the case is. But on the GoPro Hero 8, as you can see, it's kind of hard to tell where it is. There's a battery door over here with your charging port and your micro SD card slot, but you can't really tell how to open it. It seems like you gotta pull it like this, but that is incorrect because that's the hinge. So what you want to do is you want to slide this away from the camera, just like that, and that'll expose that red spot, which means that it's unlocked and open. You can then open it up, okay? And your micro SD card actually goes right over there, and you're probably thinking, oh, I can't reach it. Yeah, you can't reach it because you have to pull out the battery, which is why there's this tab here. It makes it very, very easy. So your battery can get in there nice and sleekly. It doesn't have to have like a spring-loaded thing, like a lot of pocket cameras will have like a spring-loaded arm that you have to move, which takes up space. Instead, they put this tab that basically can go completely flat on here, and you can pull the battery out through that tab, and then you have access to the micro SD card slot. So obviously mine is already in there, but if yours wasn't in there, I'm going to take mine out. If yours wasn't in there, all that you'd have to do is you'd have to pull it out. Let's try and get it out of there. Give me a second. It would be a little bit easy. There we go. There we go. So, there we go. So if yours wasn't in there, you want to make sure the writing is facing you. The gold contacts are facing this part of the camera, the front of the camera, the part with the lens, okay, with the lens over there. And the writing is facing you when you're looking at it this way, okay? You're looking at the inside of the battery compartment at the micro SD card slot. And you want to just slide it down like that. You can see the position of it and the orientation of it like that. Just get it into position like that. I'm looking through the camera lens, so it's kind of hard for me to see. I'm going to look directly at it. Get into position, slide it down, and then in order to make sure that it's fully in there, you have to use your sort of fingernail to push it down until it clicks in place. Just like that. It's in place, as you can see. Then you can take your battery, make sure it's oriented properly, and then put it back down. It should go down nice and flush, and that's it. Then you can close up your battery door. So to close your battery door, you just press it all the way down, make sure it's nice and flush, and then you can click it in place, and then you're good to go. That's it. That is essentially how to put an SD card, or a micro SD card for that matter, in a GoPro Hero 8 Black action camera. This has been a full tutorial, and I truly hope that you've enjoyed it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.